Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a classic British dessert called Eton's mess. It's very simple to make and it's ideal for this weather when it's really hot outside. So let's start off with the ingredients. To make this we need double cream. I've taken 600 ml of double cream. I've also taken loads of strawberries and some blueberries. Other thing you need is the meringues. So I have taken the store-bought one, but if you know how to bake it, you can bake it in the house. First of all, we're going to make a puree of the strawberries and we're going to whip the cream till we get soft peaks. So just pouring this strawberries and some raspberries into the mixer jar. This is 1/4 cup of the icing sugar. We're going to make a puree of this now. So I'm going to keep this in the fridge for getting chill for a few hours before I assemble my final product. So this is the double cream which I'm going to whip now. In goes half cup of icing sugar and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So we've got some soft peaks here, can you see? So we don't want to go past this stage because otherwise you don't want to make butter out of the cream. In a bowl, I'm just going to take the puree which has been chilled in the refrigerator for a few hours now. The strawberries. And we're just going to leave the blueberries for garnishing on the top. So make sure that your cream has got really soft peaks. We don't want it to be really thick. Can you see how nice pouring consistency it's got? So I've taken a wide wine glass. I mean, you can take any other pudding dish as well. So first of all, in goes our cream. In goes the cream. 1 spoon of the puree. For this ready-made meringues, I'm just going to crush it. Take half of this and pour it over this, and goes back our cream back again with the puree and our meringue. I'm just going to repeat these steps till we fill up this serving bowl or dish. On the top, and we're just going to garnish this with some blueberries just to give it a bit of color. And I've just got a bit of strawberry jam which I'm just going to pour on the top. So that's it, it's all ready to be served. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.